The statements I made were not facts, but just mere opinions. Dean Lubowa Saava has now filed his defense in court and has indicated that he was just giving opinions, and whatever he has been saying all well long, they were not facts, just his opinions. That Joel Ssenyonyi Lop, leader of opposition, was given money or was bribed 1.7 billion. He has been confirming this and asserting that Joel Ssenyonyi was bribed by Uganda Airlines boss, and he was given 1.7 billion. Now, the guy in the defense, he has filed, he says just he gave his opinions, and whatever he said, it was not factual. Because it was in the public eye domain, people wanted to know more about the 1.7 billion. Now he decided to lie. Whatever he has been saying, it was a propagandistic statement for him to make Lop Joel Ssenyonyi look corrupt. Because Lop Joel Ssenyonyi is fighting corruption, is the face of ending corruption in Uganda, is the engine behind fighting corruption in Parliament. He has exposed all the corrupt officials in Parliament. He has brought all the evidence on everybody in Parliament who is eating our money. Now, Dean Lubowa Saava came out to pinpoint Joel Ssenyonyi that is among the corrupt. Now, after being taken courts of the law, Mr. Dean Lubowa Saava told us that no, you Joel Ssenyonyi ngenda kufa naawe ojja kundaba. Nina obujulizi obukulumika gwe bakuwa ssente ate tomanyiira gwe ngenda kukusabula paka ku ttaka. That Joel Ssenyonyi was given 1.7 billion shillings. Now, the guy who has been saying all that, the guy who gave me promise, the guy who gave me confidence that really Joel Ssenyonyi is a corrupt officer, now the guy is breaking my heart. Joel Ssenyonyi, everything I've been talking about you, it was just someone's opinion. That maybe, you never know, Joel Ssenyonyi can also be given 1.7 billion and he keeps quiet. But he was never given 1.7 billion. That's an opinion. Nchitomanya lunaku lumu Joel Ssenyonyi bachobolomuwa billioni emu mu bukadde 7 nazirya naye tebazimuwangako. Byebigambo bya mukulu Dean Lubowa Saava mu kwewozaako kwe kwawaddeyo mu kkooti, era ng'agambe bamugamba mbuno yawayiriza Joel Ssenyonyi bya bulimba, kubanga ensonga yali mu bantu nga baagala okumanya biki ebigenda mu maaso, naye n'asalawo aleete endowooza ye. Kale jasi yali ndowooza ye naye nga tegaali mazima era obujulizi tabulina. Ne bugayi nga wanyimisa. Dean Lubowa Saava ng'otuyimisiza ku kyalo kuno. Gayi yatugamba nga ali so serious mu butambi bonna bazza kuba agenda busimuula, I don't know. Nze nina obukakafu nina obujulizi, gwe biseekeezi gwe, gwe biseekeezi gwe, gwe biseekeezi gwe. Bannange Mukama wa buyinza, Katonda wa buyinza. Bagamba eryokanga n'etonya ntulaba ensisira bwe zenkanye myo, naye omukulu ebintu abyegaanye. Gwe Joel gwe ndakula kwe TV gwe sikumanyi gwe Joel gwe sente bazikuwa wazirya gwe Joel gwe Joel gwe akola ku kisawe kyenyo omukyala yazikuwa gwe wagenda n'obutambi nze nina n'obu video nze nina nze obubikunga gwe nga gwosaba sente gwe nga bazikuwa gwe Joel nina obutambi. Omutima gumenyese n'amaanyi gampedde nti gwe mbadde nsibiddeko olukoba gwe mbadde ninza aleeta obujulizi nejo tumukwate bwe kavi tugobe kuba leader of opposition naye alemereyo nga mpuuga amazima gwe mbadde nesiguliddeko okutuwa obujulizi talina abyeganye ye tabyogera nako Yali Awa Ndowozaye bibino Lop Ssenyonyi abitaddeyo tubiyitemu ffenna agambye nti not long ago I dragged to court a certain propagandist who is being used by those we know to make all manner of allegations against me. My intention was for him to adduce the evidence which he said he had, including audios. Nti si banga dene nye mabega nina omuwayirizi oba omutume gwe natwala mu kooti ayogera ebya swakaba ng'akozesebwa abantu abo be tumanyi obulungi okumpayiriza okunsibako ebintu byonna ebyekikula kyonna nga bwe ndi omuli w'enguzi naye nga ekigendererwa kyange kyali nti omukulu ono atuwa obujulizi ku ebyo by'ayogera kuba yatugamba abulina alina mbuwandiike signature wamu n'entambi enjogere. He has now filed his defense in court and has indicated in paragraph 7 he says the statements he made were not facts but just mere opinions. Nti omukulu oyo propagandist oba musamwa bw'ataddeyo olwaleero okwewozaako kwe mu kooti ya Uganda atulaze mu paragrafu ey'omusanvu nti bye yali ayogera byonna byabadde amaze ebbanga eddene ng'atuyimisa tegabadde mazima wabula abadde awanga Ndowoozaye. Mukama Katonda zaba amaanyi agange wegakomye ne ganzigwamu gonna ag'ekisajja dini bulijjo just oli ku bya palapase bulijjo tudingisa tolina wadde akajulizi kale bulijjo nsabula Joel wano ne mugamba gwe Joel gwe walya ssente gwe Joel gwe ojja kubyogera gwe Joel gwe tubadde tukuba mpuuga de mapuuga nga Joel oseka nga mmanyi olina obujulizi ne Joel tumulina tumutadde mu kkoona kumbe tolina bujulizi dini. Mukama Patri mwana ne moyo mutuukirivu tuswadde asotulayo ku paragraph eyo. Let's watch together and see what's in this paragraph. The guy Dean Lubowa Saava is denying the fact that he said all this. But let's see what's in this paragraph. Oh, is it possible we can read it together or not? Let's see. Let me see. Let's work the way I want to be with. Okay, let me read it for you. It's like my thing. It's not giving me the real thing I wanted. Let's see, what's this? This. Okay, let's just read it. That on paragraph 7. Paragraph 7 says that if at all the defendant made any statements about the plaintiff, then they must have not been statements of facts, but just mere comments, an expression of an opinion rather than an accusation, an assertion of fact. The comment was fair, and the matter commented about was in public interest. Omutima gugenze, sikyabiwulira, sikyabirengera, musajja mmaze amamiima. Mbu kubanga ensonga yali ng'eri nga abantu baagala okugimanyaako, n'asalawo n'agiwaako endowooza ye, era byayogera tebyali bya ddala, tebyali bya alaali, just yayogeramu bwogezaawo, era nga bwogeramu ng'omuntu just bya just tebyali bya ddala. Kale eddiini lwasaava nze obwedda nkwesiga, era nga nvuma eyo abantu mbagamba mumuwedde tubamaze, oli ddiini alina obujulizi banaye, kale abantu madde nvuma baki banange munsonyiwe. Ddiini lwasaava nze kale mazeemu naye tebedda nze nkwewaanisa nga mbuulidde bwe tumumaze bwe tumulina, ffe tulina obujulizi bw'osaaga n'okusaaga guma obujulizi bwe bwe tulina. Amaanyi gampedde okuba nti omuntu gwe mbadde neesiguliddeko aganya bwe talina bujulizi wadde akajulizi n'aketondo weka sadako otakanya abyeganye embunze siinaako ku bujulizi sibagambangako mbu nnina obujulizi lwaki mumpaayiriza basajja mwe muwaayiriza nze nadde mbyogerako nange bwogezi nga bwe biri mu public domain. Dini Lubowa kale musajja wattu bulijjo otuyanira ki sinalina nakakasante omusajja alina obujulizi. Okay, let's go and see what people are saying in the comment section. I like the comment section so much because everyone expresses his mind truly and fairly. We're going to start with Justice Hunter Hilary Taylor. He is going to learn that opinions are not facts. We stand with you, our vibrant leader of opposition. Ntwalira agenda kukimanya nti okuwa endowooza yo tegaba mazima. Tuyingira nawe mu nsonga zonna ow'ekitiinisa leader of opposition. Kibuuka Moses says, Dini Lubowa Saava asaana Mboko for investing court time. He has numerously promised to adduce evidence. Yes. The guy has been here on a daily basis telling us that may I have all the evidence. But I have all the evidence. But the guy has nothing on plate. The East Africa, we will march to you too after proved guilty of corruption. We are non-partisan. Okay, we are waiting for you. Brian Mugalu, teach that full election. Hey, lesson. Okay. Oh gosh, and the comment section is so sweet here. Let's see, Blandon C. Maloki. He's trying to raise it as defense, but days are numbered and over on his side. Okay. Jadwo agambi nyweza tomulabisa tomulabisa. Okay. Kato Festo tova ku main fetwagala evidence. All right. Ntungamo's finest, teach them. Heavy Dims 82, we stand toe to toe with you, cook the fraud. Okay. Tomorrow, the fight against corruption is still on. March to Parliament, citizens rise against corruption perpetrated by these MPs. Okay. March to Parliament is still on. Okay, Team Lubowa Saava Yeganye Ivan and your bosses, Ugandans are tired of corruption and malice. Okay. Okay. Kutamba Bobu, why didn't you highlight paragraph 6 where he says he did not state any untrue statement about you? Okay, we will see that. Jonah Mwanje, since it's a court document and being a professional lawyer, we need advice about exposing a court document on social media, yet the proceedings are ongoing. So, why are you insinuating? Jonah Mwanje, poke them. This truly indicates there is a massive force behind him and is more powerful than Mama Lususu. Okay. Abel Jackson, Dean is ready to produce all the evidence during the court session. Okay, let's wait for that evidence. Francis Halimo Mugisho. There is a concept called sub-judice, which the late Dr. Wailama used to talk about. He used to emphasize that once a litigant has opted for a civilized process of court, he loses the power to join bar conversations. That is okay. Siba tosanywa. Okay, siba tosanywa sigwe ya Yesu. Okay. Sub-judice. What is sub-judice? Tuleke namu. Bakasibe. This movie is just beginning. Okay. And it's just the beginning. Okay. Humble sinner. Okay, these are the comments from the Mwananchi, from the people who have read through this defense. The defense given in or that were filed by Dean Lubowa Saava's lawyers, and the guy is saying, no. Me, I was just giving an opinion. And because it was in the public eye, I had to give an opinion. But whatever I said, it was not factual. Meaning it was a propaganda. It was sent by somebody to propaganda on Joel Ssenyonyi Okulya opposition law. Let's see how the judgment will go. This would be good precedent to be used by us, the younger lawyers. Okay. Nsubuga Andrew, not surprising as the boss of the firm was on watching belief in the Borola case, points to who they were working for. Okay. Sempira, shoot that idiot so that his bosses can come to his rescue when it comes to payment. Okay. Sub-judice sintategera. Wish God could turn him into solity. Let him apologize. 1.7 million. Kiwangi But does the courts of law allow that? This is pure nonsense that the man has been shouting everywhere. If not, then he must face the consequences. Yes, the guy has been shouting here. They have the evidence. He was just giving a comment. The guy was just giving a comment, a mere comment. Dini Lubowa Saava, I don't have to say.